Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to make a Discord server on mobile. So first thing that you will need to do is you have to go ahead and open your Discord application and log in to your account. And then now that you're here, you just have to click on the plus icon and then click on the create my own. So for this tutorial, let's click on the for me and my friends. Okay, so you can also choose for a club. Now you just have to select or type out right here the name of your server. So say for this server, I want to go ahead and type out a free server and then just click on create server. Okay, so you can just click on skip for this one right here. So now you have your server, so you have your text channels and you have your voice channels. Okay, so now you'd be able to see your main menu, the three dots. When you click on it, you'll be able to see the options as well as the settings for this server. So just click on settings. So for now, let's go to creating channel before we proceed to the server settings. So let's go back to the server. So now just click on the three dots again and then click on create channel. So for this channel, I wanna name this one as the rules of this server. And then just have to select the text for this channel type and then save. And then just click on the three dots again to create another channel. So just click on the three dots and then select the create channel. So since we're going to create a voice channel, let's name this one is sound of the day, or you can name it anything that you want, and then make sure to select the voice for the channel type. After that, just click on create. As you can see, you have now your two channels. So on the very top, they're not in categories. So yet to make them in category, you want to go back to the three dots again and then just click on the settings. Okay, now just click on the channels. Okay, and then click on reorder. So you want to go ahead and reorder your channels to make it in a category format. So first, let's go to the tax channels. So you just have to click on it, and right here you just have to press and hold the rules of the server, and then you want to put that under the tax channels below the general or above the general, as long as it belongs to the tax channel. Okay, so just click on done to save your changes. And then after that, you're just going to do the same with the other. So just click on reorder again. And then you have to select the voice channels. And then just have to drag, press and hold it and drag it under the voice channel to have its category. And after that, you just have to click on done. And then when we go back to our server's menu or server's display, you'd be able to see here that our channels has been categorized. Now we want to create a new category for staffs, or you can call it or name it anything that you want. So let's go ahead and click on three dots and then click on create category. And then let's name this category for staffs. So this one is for staffs area or staffs here. Okay, so you can name it anything that you want, and then just have to click on create to save your name. Now let's do the same process where we can create a new channel. So just click on the three dots, okay, at the top, so this one, and then just click on create a channel. And then here the name of this channel would be tax a channel for staffs or something like that. So let me just type this one right here, so you'd be able to follow this process. So just have a tax a channel for staffs, and then make sure to select the text for the channel type since you named this one as text, and then click on done. Now just do the same process. So just click on the three dots again at the top, and then you just have to click on create channel. Now you just have to type out the channel name. So since this one is for voice channel type, so let's type out right here voice channel for staffs. Okay, then make sure to select the voice channel type and then click on create to save your changes. So now as you can see, you have two channels at the top. So all you have to do is to reorder this as two. You just have to click on the three dots again and then click on the settings. Okay, now click on channels and then click on reorder. Okay, now let's proceed to text categories. So you just have to press and hold it and then drag this one and put it under the tabs here, channels or category. Okay, so click on done and then just click on reorder again. And let's go to voice channels. So just click on the voice channels. And then right here, you just have to press and hold. Then you have to drag the voice channels for staffs and put it under the staffs here category. Okay, so that's right. Now just click on done. And when you go back right here in your server's display, you'd be able to see that all of your channels has been categorized. So now let's proceed to the private categories. So you don't want normal people typing in the staff channels or viewing the staff channels. So to do that, you want to go down to the staff section here, hold down and edit the category you want to change. Now click on category permissions and then click on at everyone. Okay, so just click on the advanced view first to be able to see the at everyone option. Okay, so just click on the at everyone of the rules, and here for the view channels, you just have to select the X button and then scroll down a little bit and you'll be able to see here the send messages. So you want to click on the X icon for that as well. So now everyone in the server cannot view it, only specific people can view it. But what specific people can view it, that brings us into our next thing, which is create rules. So rules, you want to go ahead and select the three dots and go to the server settings. And then you want to go ahead and find the rules icon at the bottom. And after that, you'll be able to see here the organizer members. So you just have to click on create rule to create a rule for your server. Okay, so now you just have to type out the rule name. So see, for example, I want to type out right here, member. And after that, you just have to click on the create option and then just click on skip this step. Then click on skip this step again. And then as you can see, we have now rule number one. So now let us just create a new rule. So just click on the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen and then just type out a new rule name. So let's say admins. So you can also change the color for this one and then just have to click on save to save the color and then click on create. Then click on skip this step and then click on skip this step. So let me just change the color for the admins. Okay, so here then just click on save and then click on save to save your changes. Now, if you want to reorder the rule, you just have to click on the reorder button right here. So this one, the color blue, and then you just have to reorder the rules for this server. Okay, so you just have to place the admins above the members, or you can do this in the other way around. And then after reordering the rule, you just have to click on the save option at the top right corner of your screen to save your changes. And after that, let's go back to the display server. And right here, we just have to click on the three dots icon. Okay, now you just have to click on the settings and then scroll down until you can see the members options. You just have to click on it and then select the members that you want to add a rule for this one. So right here, you just have to click on edit rule and select the rules that you want. So for example, I want to go ahead and make this member as an admin and as a member. You can also add a nickname for this member. So just click on save, and as you can see, this member is now an admin and a member of this server. And finally, you can now fix your staff category. That way, the staff are the only people who can view it. So go ahead and hold down the staff category, click on the edit category, and then click on category permissions, and then click on the advanced view. Now click on the add rule, and then you just have to select the member. After that, just go to the view channels. So you just have to click on the X icon and then scroll down and be able to see your sent messages. So you just have to click on the X icon as well. And then you just have to close it to save your changes. Now go to the admins and then go to the view channel. So you just have to click on the checked icon or the enable. This way, the admin is the only one who can view the channels. And then go to the send messages. So you just have to click on the checked mark icon or the enable icon. So the admin is the only one who can send messages to the staff category. Okay, so you just have to click on it, and then after that you just have to save it. And then when we go back over here in the server display or display server, you would be able to see here our channels has been categorized perfectly. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.